boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. We have DAYGLOW here with a song called Deep End. So this one is a fun kind of 80s vibe to it song with only 4 chords, so it's great. It's very playable as well on guitar, so that is great that as well. So let's start with this song here, and we don't need any capo for this one. So let's go over the chords. We have first the F. So that's a bar here on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. The next chord will be A sharp, and we'll keep that bar on the first fret. We don't need all strings, just from A string and down, so we can skip the bass E string there. So 5 strings on the first fret, a bar there, and the rest will be third on D and third on G. That's actually a sus2 chord, but yeah, that's the A sharp, and that's what we're gonna call it. The next chord will be and still A sharp, but now with G in the bass. So what you do here, you just keep that A sharp and you add the third fret on the E string. Alright, so everything else is the same, just third on E, and that's the A G chord, that's what we're gonna call it. And the final chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so let's start with the song. We'll start with just 1 down for the following chords. F, and F again, so 2 downs on F. Then comes the A sharp, then the A G chord, then C, A sharp, and yeah, that's it. So 1 down, like this, 2 times on F, 1 on A sharp, and then the A G, then C, then A sharp, and that's the first round. Okay, then the second round, it will start the strumming. It's the same chord progression, but now with the strumming. And 1 round of the strumming chord with F, since that is the first chord, will be down, down, clap, down. Okay, so like this. Down, down, clap, down. Pretty easy. So for all these chords I just mentioned, there's the same chord progression. You will play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So that means 4 times on the first F, because you have 2 Fs there. So F, 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 then A sharp, then A G, then C, C, and then you have the final chord A sharp. Now you will have it for 4 rounds instead of 2. So that builds up for the chorus. All right, so the chorus is very easy. You will continue the strumming here, but you will just shift between 2 chords. You'll alternate the C with the A sharp chord, and this you will play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So C 4, A sharp 4. This combo, C 4, A sharp 4, you will play that for 4 rounds, and that will make up for the first chord. So let's go for a couple of rounds of C and A sharp. Had 2, about half into this chorus. I think you get it. That takes us to the second verse after these 4 rounds, and that one will play in the same way as the first verse. The only difference here is you're gonna play with the strumming for both these two chord progression rounds, not with 1 down like you started in the first verse. So strumming 2 rounds, and that takes us to the final part, the second chorus. you just play the chorus play till the end. That means you shift C4 with A sharp 4 and you go back and forth till the end, and that covers Dayglow's deep end. So good luck with this fun and cool song from Dayglow. So till next time, play tuned.